Welcome to Trading Lounge and the European indices, and there's not much for change since the last video, so I'll just whip through things swiftly here. So with the DAX here, we've got wave 3 here, and we're looking at wave 3 here, and we're looking for wave 4 over here, but there could be a slight variation on that, and I want to explain that. So wave A here, wave B, C, D, E, and then we move down from that area, down from that space. So for wave 5. Now this wave, this also can be, if I just copy this here and put this up here, with copy this and put this here as well. So it's possible to have this as an A wave here, a B wave here, and a C wave up here in 5 waves and completing it. So 1 and 2 and 3, A, B, C for wave 4 here, and then push up for wave 5 here, and then roll down this way here. So I don't know the outcome of this situation, and we're just going to have to wait and see. I'm not really interested in calling a trade here until we've got either this one complete, either the C, D, and E completed, and we can look to short at that point, or we're up here and we can look for that there. So I really need this to finish off there. So on the hourly chart here, this is the upside scenario, so wave B here, and looking for 1 and 2 and 3 and A, and a B wave and a C wave here for wave 4, and then one more push up here for wave 5. So look, if you want to trade long, that's not a big deal. Just you just need to buy into strength here. So you would certainly want to have support on top of this number right there, 11,330, because that is the top of another group. I mean, the 300's a group. Wherever you see a 3, you know it's a group 1. So we've got 11,300, so that's obviously we've got some nice support here. So we're just really looking to buy new highs. So any of these new highs here would do the trick, or some sort of trend line, or one of your own setups. But the next little setup here is, see, it's got the 330 there. That's the next level, the 30. So nice tested support on that, which is trying to do at the moment. So pretty much you could look to go long above this high here. Okay, and I'll just put it in just a thin green line, because there can be that other count in play there as well. So look, that's that really, and that's pretty much across the board. So just the AEX here on the daily chart, we're looking for an A and a B and a C. Here where it looks like we've got 1 and 2 and 3 up here, so we're still looking for that next push up there to finish that wave C, and then we can look to the downside. So we can look to short through that trend line there. And the FTSE's same but different. But yeah, so on the 1 hour chart here with wave 3 here, we're looking at A wave, a B wave, and I really don't know how this is going to pan out. I don't know if we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 to here, then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, one more push up to here, or we're going to be looking at a D and an E here, but they will be in here much tighter as well within this space here. So pretty much a correction across that 7,000 really. So we're not interested in shorting this until we get that in play here as such. So we've still got time on our hands here. Yeah, I mean, you could take a risk and short it up there, but you're fighting the trend, and we don't have any evidence of any downside. And, you know, also too, we do have support on the 7,000. So it's normally you look for long trades on support. You look for long trades, and at resistance you look for the other ones. But we're just working through a complicated correction here. Bit of a pain, but that's part of being a trader. Patience. And what else have we got? We've got the MIB. So the Italian MIB would be much the same as well. So from here we're looking at A wave, a B wave here, and 5 waves up for the C wave here. So make a small adjustment here for this here now, but pretty much I mean, we could go up after that, but it's likely that we're going to be going down. So we'll just allow that to play out. So that's the C wave coming into here. So yeah, as long as this market stays above the 19,000, then we're going to be looking for one more high to come into play here for this wave 4 area through here. So that's that there. And we'll just have a look at France while we're here as well, because we're looking to go long above the 5,000 here. And I can just clean up a little bit of this here, but this is struggling to move higher. It will to make one more new high in the next session, being lifted by the likes of US stocks like Amazon and so on. So with this one here, we can look at it 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 here. And then for the 5th wave, we're looking at 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So we've still got, whoopsie-daisy, we've still got one more to go up into this space here at that stage. So we can certainly bring, if you've got a long trade in there, we can put it under here now for this stop here. But I'd certainly look to start taking some profit into this box here. Well, as soon as we make new highs above here, then you want to be starting to lock in some profit there. So let's copy that. At least, I mean, you're in the trend, so you just really want to take part profit, but take a good piece of the cake, that's for sure. Alrighty, so yeah, just to recap, we're looking, and have a look at the US market as well, of course, the video, and you'll see where we are with that there as well. So there's still a good session or two to the upside, so we possibly see Friday and Monday to the upside with these markets. Alrighty, enjoy the weekend. Cheers.